Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you a little trick, a little function that's been added sneakily into the version 1951. So if you have the versions below 1951, you won't be able to use it. So if you're running the latest beta, I think right now is a 1955, you have this option. So basically what I'm talking about is the function called solo. So right now you can see I have 3 playbacks running on my stage. So if I want to see where is that particular fixture, I want to highlight it, I want to basically solo it out of everything, and I want to see just that. Everything else needs to be turned off. Then all you need to do is press Control and click highlight. And that's it. So now you can see the lights and you can continue actually working with it. So if you look in the programmer, you will see there's nothing in the programmer. So what Magic U actually does is sets this fixture apart. It keeps it at 100%, but put all the other lights at 0, and they're not in the programmer. So your light is currently highlighted. So if you turn it off, highlight, you will see it goes back. Or you can press clear. Same thing. Again, select the lights, press Control and click highlight. That's it. So whilst the lights selected, you can then move them, and as soon as you start moving them around, then they're in the programmer. But otherwise, you can see, otherwise they're not. It's only in the pan and tilt in the programmer. I can press clear, it all goes back to how it was before. I hope that was super useful for you. Some of you have been looking for a long time to see this function, and Magic U has added it from version 1951. That's all for today. If you liked it, please press like and subscribe and share this video to those people who you think will benefit from watching it. That's all for today. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.